Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Breville 870 XL espresso machine, and just pulled the shot. I've been dialing in the grind a little bit. I'm going to go slightly coarse on this because the coffee's a little bit old. And someone uses fresh coffee. I think we could also probably have a little less coffee. I think this person had it set on a double or a single, and maybe their single is what they use for their double. And I think the way the Breville programming works is you program the single and then the double is just double the double time. But if you know for sure, please comment below and let us know what it is, how it works. All right, let's go ahead and pull a shot. We're in pre-infusion. Now the full shot. And we're just going to look at the pressure gauge. So yeah, we could, we got some crema. This coffee's a little old. We could definitely get higher pressure and more crema if we either made the grind a little finer or used fresher coffee. But I did test it by putting a back flush disc in it, and we got nice strong pressure that way. So the pump is definitely working well because that's what we replaced on this machine. And so thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.